Any Woman is a beautiful poem written by Catherine Tynan. Catherine Tynan is an Irish born writer known mainly for her novels and poetry. She has to her credit more than a score of novels and 7 books of verse. Her human sympathy is keen, tender, warm, and constant. The poem, Any Woman, presents all embracing power of a woman to hold a family together. Dear friends, now let us think about the theme of the poem. What is the theme of this poem? Any woman presents all embracing power of women to hold a family together. It expresses the sentiments and emotions of women in a deep way. It celebrates the sacrificing love of mothers. It glorifies the greatness of motherhood in an attractive manner. It reflects the universal greatness of motherhood. It tells us the cares, worries, and burdens of mother to hold a family together. Now let us think about different aspects of this poem. The poem has simple language. The imagery is great. There is rainbow of metaphors. We can see a golden view of comparisons, comparing women with the different types of beautiful images as pillars of the house, keystone of the arch, fire upon the hearth, light of the good sun, teach that holds together, a door against the wind and snow, a wall against all dangers, a house from floor to roof. Through different types of brilliant images, the poet is really creating a golden rainbow of metaphors. For a house, a woman is everything. The poem portrays the feelings and views of any woman in the world. In the last part, we can see woman standing before Jesus Christ, praying to him to let her live till her children grow up. A superb picture of a devoted mother. Dear friends, do you like your mother? What are the qualities of a mother? So now let us look at this word verb. This word verb is with those qualities. Mother is a symbol of dedication. Mother is a symbol of goodness. Mother is a great symbol of generosity and love. Mother is a great symbol of self-confidence and care. Mother is a symbol of patience. Mother is a symbol of hard work. Mother is a great symbol of compassion and aspiration. Mother is a symbol of perseverance. Mother is a symbol of sacrifice. Mother is a symbol of sincerity. And mother is a symbol of courage. Mother is a symbol of different values. So now let us think about this particular word verb. This word verb is useful for making questions and answers. The first question is, what are the qualities of a good mother? All those qualities are listed here. The second question is, prepare a speech on Mother's Day. You can use the inputs from this particular word verb to make a speech. It is useful to make a speech because major qualities of a good mother is listed here. You can also write a paragraph on your mother with the support of this word verb. Now let us think about another question. Ways to reduce the quantum of work done by a woman in a household. The answer is, share the household work among family members. Sharing is a best way to reduce the tension. The second one is, we are living in an age of science and technology. We have different equipments. Use of technology is another important option. Planning is essential to reduce the workload. Follow a well-planned timetable is another option. Maintain open communication among family members. Follow eco-friendly life. Maintain the habits of collective responsibility. So these are the ways in this connection. Dear friends, poetry is the most beautiful form of language. It is a golden way to golden ideas. Through any woman, let us love and care our mothers. Thank you.